Mohonk Mountain House has a very strong history in international relations and cultural exchange. Our founder, Albert Smiley, opened Mohonk in 1869. Over 150 years later, Mohonk is still owned and managed by his descendants. Albert had the mindset, we'll discuss it at Mohonk. Why is this important and what does this mean? Beginning in 1879, Albert attended a meeting in Washington, D.C. as part of the Board of Indian Commissioners. At the end of the conference, he invited all of the attendees back to Mohonk the following fall to continue the discussion. By 1895, these talks developed into discussions of international relations known as the Lake Mohonk Conferences on International Arbitrations, and these meetings grew each year in attendance, and finally, a new wing had to be built at Mohonk to accommodate these annual meetings. These talks continued in our parlor until 1916, when they returned to Washington and became part of the Hague Conference, later incorporated into the League of Nations, and finally part of the United Nations. In 1994, Mohonk Mountain House and the Smiley family received an award from the United Nations, which recognized 125 years of environmental stewardship and dedicated leadership. Today, Mohonk may not have these conferences each year to discuss it at Mohonk, but we have continued with discussing it here with you, our J1 visa participants. As a J1 participant at Mohonk, you will participate in American activities and trips, discuss the way things are done in America and in your home country. This exchange of information betters each international participant and American worker, as we all learn from each other. For more than 20 years, Mohonk has welcomed hundreds of exchange visitors from all over the world into our cultural J1 work and travel program, our J1 internship program, and our J1 trainee program. We have hosted participants in most areas of our house, including front office, culinary, spa, housekeeping, beverage services, dining services, marketing, recreation, and parks and grounds.
I'm Kristina Harcha. I'm from Slovakia. I'm a dining room captain here at Mohonk Mountain House.
Hello, my name is Jose. I'm from Quito, Ecuador.
Hi, my name is Jakub. I'm from Poland, and my current position at Mohonk Mountain House is HR and Marketing Intern.
Hi, my name is Kat, and I came here from Poland. I came here for a work and travel program. I'm working here in the dining room. I'm preparing the station and the whole service for the guests.
Hi, my name is Kirill Sinakov, and right now I'm here at Mohonk Mountain House. I'm from Czech Republic, and I work there as a cook in the kitchen.
Hello, my name is Patrick. I came from Krakow. I work as a bartender.
Hi, my name is Lucy, and I'm from the Czech Republic. I'm a granary server. Granary is a outside barbecue where we serve burgers, hot dogs. So it's a typical American barbecue.
Hi, I'm Darina. I'm from Hungary, and I'm working room service in Mohonk Mountain House.
As a bartender, we have to serve good quality cocktails at 3 different bars. One of them is Sunset Porch, it's right over there. Our main bar is Carriage Lounge, it's inside the hotel. The third one is a service bar. This is like the hidden bar, and we serve our drinks from that bar to the main dining room. At my hometown, which is Krakow, I'm a bartender as well, so I chose Mohonk because they had that position. Also, it's located in the New York State, right next to the New York City.
So this is my second time in Mohonk, and I decided to come back because of the people.
So I came back as a server assistant, and they asked me if I want to do room service, and I didn't really know what was it about, basically. So it's really layered. So not just taking orders up to the rooms, but we're also doing breaks in the house. We take food and drinks if they organize some events. So it's really, really like colorful job.
My job is pretty much doing videos around Mohonk for social media. You can find my videos on Mohonk Mountain House social media, for example, Instagram or Facebook. This year we have this special project called Employment Videos. If you go to mohonkmountainhouse.com/careers, you will see the videos I made with all the employees we have, and actually this one is right now part of it. You can find some of the employees we have here, their journey from Mohonk Mountain House, how they found Mohonk Mountain House, and how they feel about Mohonk Mountain House.
I came to Mohonk through a J1 visa program. I spent a few summers here through summer work and travel. When I was able to return to my internship program to the food and beverage department, I also spent 1 year here. When I first came here, I spent a few summers as a server assistant and a buffet attendant. Later on, I was promoted to be a server, and then right now I'm as a dining room captain. I studied my 1 year internship program as a server, And throughout the 1 year, I was able to be part of a different dining room position. During my last phase of the internship program, I was able to work with the dining room captains and also the managers.
I am here as an exchange visitor in the field of the baker and pastry area. These internship programs give me experience at the hotel while practicing improving my English. The best thing about Mohonk is the chance to improve myself working in one of the most important hotels around USA.
When I was looking for a resort to go for the work and travel program, I just went to Resort Leaders website and I was looking for all the resorts they have. And my dream was always go to New York City and be close to New York City. So I saw Mohonk Mountain House was one of the closest ones. So I was like, I think this is gonna be my place for next summer, and that was summer 2018. I think participating in a work and travel or internship program gives you a lot of benefits.
One of the biggest one that we have housing and dormitory here on the property.
Last year I had a shared room with a really good friend of mine, and this year I'm having a single room, but I love it. It has basically everything which you need. You have a fridge, you can put posters on the wall, and you can like make it really personal for your own.
So I live in a small house with 4 bedrooms, and usually there's around 6 people living in it.
And before I came here, HR told me that I can choose if I want to live in share room or in the single room. I choose to share the room, and my roommate is from Hungary.
The best thing about Mohonk Mountain House is the location. The resort is in Newport, New York, in the Hudson Valley area, which is so beautiful. Just look around. The nature is gorgeous here. And also, Mohonk Mountain House is just 2 hours away from New York City, so if you have a day off, you can just take a train or a bus or even a car and go to the city. If I would have to describe Mohonk Mountain House using only one word, I would say family. When you come to Mohonk Mountain House as a student, as an employee, as a guest, you feel like you're in a house with a family and everybody knows you.
I decided to come to America because this is a great opportunity to improve my English and gain a lot of experience.
So Mohonk is special for me for a lot of reasons. I love the house. I love that we can do all of the activities. We can do paddleboarding, kayaking. We can go on a beach. We can play volleyball. We can play soccer. But like most of my special friends are from Mohonk. So this is basically why I came back, because of my friends.
When I'm not working, I like to come up here at Mohonk and I like hiking. Summertime, I like swimming in the lake. And then my best thing to do, what I actually got to do through my internship program, is ice skating in the pavilion the winter time.
Usually when I have a day off, I'm going hiking or I'm going to the lake with friends. Sometimes we are going to do some shopping to the other cities, like Newport or Poughkeepsie, Kingston, or sometimes to New York. And also when we have off day, we can go for a trip which is organized by HR in Mohonk Mountain House. Like we had already one trip to New York City, we're gonna have another one in August.
Mohonk Mountain House is organizing so many trips for our employees. For example, we can go shopping, we can go discover state parks. There is also some trips to New York City, to amusement parks. They keep us busy here.
And of course, if you don't want to leave the property, you can just spend your day off here, go hiking, go swimming into the lake. Of course, if you're more sporty, you can play basketball, you can play tennis, whatever you want to do.
When I'm not working, I love to take long hikes inside Mohonk Reserve because everywhere you look is a new experience.
In our contract, we have 3 meals provided per every day. We have a cafeteria in Mohonk Mountain House. We can choose whatever we want, like salads, fruits, meat, fishes, soups, and other stuff. Sometimes we have tacos, quesadillas, also pastas, and other good things to eat.
Food that they're serving to us is really good. We don't have to pay too much for that.
I love eating. So my favorite place basically in Mohonk is the cafeteria. And not just because the food is really good, so you can have salads, you can have any kind of meat you want, or if you're a vegetarian, you can also find a lot of options like veggie burgers if this is what you struggle with, if you don't want to eat meat. There are a lot of sodas and coffee. So if you're like really a coffee person in the morning, you can find any kind of like milk or almond milk. So there's a lot of options. And also like basically most of the time we meet up in the cafeteria and we hang out there. So there's also like a really common place to be at, and it's good.
Honestly, I was really scared coming here as my first time. I remember that it was so foggy and scary. I didn't know anyone. And now this is my third summer here. And when I go through the hotel, everybody smiles and I see a lot of familiar faces.
Many of these students have spent more than one summer with us and are now permanently part of the Mohonk family.
My name is Josh Doyle. I'm the granary captain here at Mohonk Mountain House. We have an amazing international work visa program and internship.
My name is Didi Platoni. As the evening buffet supervisor, most of my staff were all international students, and many of them were really homesick and they were not sure when they got here, and I wanted them to feel at home. So I made it a point to make sure that they knew they were at home. Anything they needed, I would help them with. It's so gratifying to know that I've met and worked with these individuals, and maybe I've had a positive influence on their careers.
The international students have become some of my best friends, and in the off-season I plan to travel to Europe and take advantage of that opportunity.
I consider many of the employees that work here and have worked here as family, and it's just wonderful to know that I've worked with such talented team of people. My son's history teacher had asked the class to raise their hand if they had a family member in a different country. Every time she would mention a country, he would raise his hand. So the teacher finally asked, "Do you really have so many family members in all these different countries?" And he stood up and his response was, "My mom works at Mohonk. We have family everywhere."
It is our hope that you will take everything you have learned at Mohonk home with you and discuss it there. We are looking forward to welcoming our next group of exchange visitors to Mohonk this coming season as the newest addition to one of these 3 worthwhile J1 visa programs.